What's going on, guys? Okay, so currently on the Aster chart here. Now, what I'm seeing is this is just a daily update because I think we're going to break out shortly, very, very shortly. But let me show you what I'm seeing. So we've had a fake out of a change of structure here, bounce back up, filled it. Now, typically we would fall back, okay, but we haven't. What we've done is we've got created basically, we've got a low here, higher low, another higher low, and then we've broken out. Now what we've done is we've basically ranged sideways, but we seem to be using this level here where we got rejected and fell back, and then we eventually broke through it. We seem to be using that as a new support level. So what I can see happening shortly, now if we don't hold that, then we're going to come back down to these levels and probably go to roughly 109 again. However, if we can, and this is going to play out today, all right, well, potentially today. If we can hold these levels, then we've had one bounce, two bounce, three bounces, maybe slightly down fake out, it will wick back up, and then basically three bounces, and then potentially get rid of this box here, and then go back up to here and start building up again. So I'm super, super bullish on Aster at the moment. Okay, so now currently on the 4-hour chart. Now, if you look here, it's actually starting to fall through this here, where we were having a number of bounces along here. However, this could be a fake out, because if you look at the wicks on Aster, just for example, this one went to 120 and the wick has basically then gone back down to 117. All right. And then if you look at, say, this one here, it went all the way down to 110. And at in the same 4 hours, it went up to 118. So Aster can go down, completely wick up, stay within structure. Now, if we zoom out slightly, we've obviously got this trend line here. We could potentially go sideways, fall slightly through it, and then basically bounce back up. What they're going to be doing, and it's the same with all cryptocurrencies, they're going to want to basically shake people out and break people's psychological levels. So if I'm doing TA and I'm like, okay, fine, the probability of it falling through a certain level is not that high, and then it falls through that level, typically a trader would then potentially go and short it. So with crypto, it's more about kind of timing the market rather than timing the market. You really need to understand how it moves. Obviously, it's manipulated. You have to obviously do technical analysis, but you also need to do it on probability and try and protect yourself and really understand how the markets move. So even when it does break structure and it falls for a certain level or goes for a certain level, a lot of the time it's a fake out. It will have a reversal and then it will go back up. So I still think we're super, super bullish on Aster. One thing I think I could have potentially got wrong, not 100% sure yet, is the cup and handle. I did think that we were going to go to 150 before a fallback. However, looking at it, we could have potentially done kind of the cup here, then the handle, and then go up from here. So super bullish on it. I've got some big positions on Aster. I've also basically got grid bots on Aster as well that's bringing passive income every single day. But really, really bullish on Aster. I think it's going to do exceptionally well. Maybe come down a tiny bit first and then go back up just to shake people out. But yeah, overall, really, really bullish on Aster. Also, guys, if you want to follow my trades, you can join my public channel. It's completely free. The link is in the description of the video. It's on Telegram. And also, I use Weex Exchange. They're one of the best exchanges. And you can also get a really, really good deal if you sign up. The link is also in the description of the video. You can get up to a $400 bonus just for depositing. And you can use that for trading. It's basically free money. It's an absolute no-brainer. So, yeah, that's the update on Aster. I'm going to keep doing updates on Aster. Super bullish. I think it's going to break out shortly. And I will see you in the next video.